Hello lovelies, good afternoon. We'll be making kids and babies glow butter, body butter. This cream can help lighten their skin, make them glow and keep their skin smooth. The ingredient I'll be using for this cream is organic mango butter, rosehip oil, avocado oil. I'm using my lavender essential oil, and I'm using Blackseed essential oil. Also, I'll be using my avocado butter. Then in here I have my organic Shea butter. You can see I have a whole lot of it because I use it in making most of my creams too. So this is my organic Shea butter. So let's begin. I'll be using so I'll be using this is my measuring cups. I'm going to use this to mix the cream, and this is my measuring spoon. I have here my 15 ml. I have my 5 ml, 2.5 ml. So let's begin. I'm going to take 20 ml of my organic shea butter. This is 15, so I'll use my 5 ml to make it 20. Now, this is 20 ml of my organic shea butter. Then I'll take 20 ml of my avocado butter. Now I'm back with the melted oil. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is it. I've melted my butter and my oil, the mango butter, shea butter, avocado butter, and the rosehip oil, and also the avocado oil. It's melted here, so I'll allow it cool for 5 minutes, and then I put it in the freezer for it to get solid. Once it is solid, I'll bring it out and whip it, then add my essential oil. I'll be back. Okay, so I made it freeze a little in the fridge, but I didn't make it too solid because I'm still going to whisk it. So now I'm going to add my lavender oil in this. This is what it looks like. I didn't let it, I don't know if you can see it. It's not too solid. So I want to add my lavender oil first. I'm going to add 5 drops of it. This is my dropper bottle. Now I want to add this for adults. If you're not using this for kids and you want to use it as an adult to lighten your skin, you can add licorice and mulberry extract to it, and also papaya extract. You can add this into it to make you lighten up. So I'm going to add 5 drops of my lavender essential oil. That's if you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to mix it up and whisk it. So I'll just keep stirring. If I used the larger bowl, I would have used my whisker, but since I'm using this cup, I'm going to use the spoon. It might just take a while. So you can see it's becoming creamy. So I keep stirring. Now, can you see? It looks like a cream foam now. So, I like it this way because I'm using it for my baby. I don't like it when it's too solid. Then when I want to apply it to her skin, it would take me too much time. So this way, it's perfect for me. It is perfect. In this creamy consistency, it is perfect for me. It looks like a lotion now. Also remember that you have to sterilize your container that you use in storing your creams. You have to wash it properly with hot water and sterilize it before storing your cream in it, so it won't get infected, you know. Now I think I am done with whisking this. I've probably whisked this, so I'm liking the consistency. It feels good, it looks good, and it smells good too. After whipping, I'm just going to transfer it into the container. You can put it back in the fridge if you want it to get solid, if you prefer it in the solid form. But me, I like it this way, like I said, because it's better for me when I apply for my baby. And you apply this twice a day, morning and night, to see the effect. You can use this with the baby herbal soap I'm going to make soon. I'll be sharing that video very soon. So thank you for watching. So I will just transfer it into the container. If you're making in a larger quantity, remember to increase the measurement. I would write down the measurement in the description box. So when you make a larger quantity, just know you have to just increase the measurement. This cream is definitely going to make your baby glow. It will lighten their skin a little too, not make that, it's just lighten their skin, make their skin glow and make it smooth, prevent them from rash, eczema, and any skin irritation. Yes, here we have our baby glow body butter. Sorry, here it is. So I'm ready to use. If you enjoy this video, kindly like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions for me. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss my videos, and also share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.